In today's video, I'll show you how to design professional and engaging emails in Klaviyo, perfect for connecting with your audience and boosting sales. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and navigating to the content section at the top of your dashboard. Then click on Templates. Here you can choose an existing template or create a new one from scratch. Click Create to open the email editor. On the left hand side, you will see blocks, which are the building blocks of your email. Drag a text block to your template to add your message and clear calls to action. Next, grab an image block to upload visuals or link images from a URL, making your email visually appealing. You can also use product blocks to showcase items directly in your email, allowing customers to shop straight from your message. Perfect for promotions or new product launches. Experiment with different blocks and layouts to match your brand style and marketing goals. Once everything looks great, save your template and you're ready to send a professional, eye-catching email to your subscribers. With Klaviyo's drag and drop editor, designing emails is simple, fast, and impactful. Thanks for watching and happy email marketing.